Welcome back to Cooking with Scripture. Your girl, Mama Shay, is in the building. And today we're going to be making tacos. Yes, I mean tacos. We're going to be making shrimp tacos. So, let's get this started, y'all. We got bell peppers, red, orange, I would say. We got tomato, and then we got the red onion. So, I'm going to go ahead and slice these up. You can dice them up however you do your vegetables. Then we got shrimp. So I have the shrimps with the tail on. So I peeled it, deveined it, washed it in vinegar and lovely water. And then there you go. So now we're going to go ahead and add a little bit of avocado oil. Only just a little bit because we're going to use the same thing for the pot too. But we just need a little bit just to start seasoning our shrimps and getting our shrimps to taste a little flavorful. You feel me? So, the first thing we're going to start off with some Himalaya salt. Yes, Himalaya salt is very, very good to me. It tastes excellent, especially with carrots. We got black pepper. They came together as one you can buy from Walmart for like $2. You get both of them at the same time. Avocado too, I got that from Walmart. Okay, we got some cumin. Cumin always gives this authentic taste. I don't know why, it just makes it taste good. And we got some garlic powder. You already know your girl can't do without garlic powder. We got some paprika. Yes, that's mostly for the color. Honestly, if I'm being honest, it's for the color. And then we have chili powder. Just a little bit for a little kick, a little taste, a little authenticness to it. We got some oregano. And I did improve my recipe, no lie, y'all. That go twin. Then we got the onion powder that goes with the garlic powder. They are twins, they cousins, they always gotta be together. You put one in, you gotta put the other in type thing. And we're gonna go ahead and mix it up in a bowl. Get ready to throw it in our pan with our vegetables. This is going to be delicious, y'all. So, I'm going to add a little bit of avocado oil in the pan. Don't come in my pan. I cook a lot. And we're going to go ahead and saute the vegetables first. And then we're going to go ahead after we saute the vegetables. Add our little shrimps in. And start cooking it all together. Which, honestly, I do prefer to cook it all together because you get the vegetables flavor. And then you're done. That's it. We got mine. And then my little baby. And yeah. So don't forget your scriptures today. Psalms 91:11. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.